Hello and welcome everybody back to this channel. Today we're reacting to the song Habits by the original song by Tovlo, the rock version by Rain Paris, and also there is a warning for epilepsy action. So you know it, and let's get started. I'm really interested. I think, is it this song? I know, maybe it's this song, I don't know, I hope. The original song. Yeah, I think, yeah, it's this song. Oh, I'm really excited. I like it so far that you see the whole band in the background. Most of the time you only see her. That's quite good. But I really like it that the whole band is there. I think this gave a new touch on the videos. Sound. Really punchy. Really straightforward. So far. And her voice. Amazing. Ooh. Yeah. Wow. This is... Oh, her voice. Oh. Such a straightforward pushing energy in her voice. Amazing. And I like how they decide to... and what they do with their style of this cover. Really cool. Ah, yeah. Also love the high clicky tones I think from the hi-hat. Really cool. Oh, she destroys everything with her voice. Mm-hmm. Oh. Oh, this is so amazing. Yeah. This is such amazing shua, if you know what I mean. Wow, 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 her voice, it's so high energy, so straightforward, so nice. And I love their interpretation of the song in the rock version. Really cool. I like that it's the band in the background, so we see them. Wow, such great. Her and they covers, really amazing. I know, I've said it every time, but it's the truth, I guess. So, thanks for watching, and if you have some other song recommendations, you can put it down in the comments below. And we'll see us next time. Bye.